Hello all, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing great. Today, let's talk about the Hot Wheels Honda S800 Racing, a new release for 2025. This Hot Wheel car is based on the classic Honda S800, a lightweight sports car from the late 1960s. The real Honda S800 was a small but powerful sports car, produced between 1966 and 1970. It had an advanced engine that could reach 100 miles per hour and was influenced by the Honda motorcycle engineering because of its limited production. The Honda S800 is now a rare and collectible classic car. Now, let's get into the unboxing. It's a 1:64 scale car, feature the classic red racing stripes, sponsors logo, and the number decals to match the vintage race car. It has a standard wheels and is a cool looking yellow car. Holding it feels like having a miniature version of the real car. Look at the real car image and the Hot Wheel version. Wow! They included all the real logos and it looks perfect. I definitely got the miniature version that closely resembles the car and I'm impressed. So if you're a Honda fan, this one is for you. So that was the update on Hot Wheels' newly released Honda S800. Let me know if you were able to grab one. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, please like, share, and comment. And as always, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting. See you next time.